What's good? What's really good, my guys, my G's? It's Cole, aka the Chillest Bro, and we're in this thing again, my guys, my G's. And before we even start, you know what you gotta do? You gotta pow. You gotta hook that. You gotta hook that smash. You gotta smash and hook that like button, my guys, my G's. You gotta hit it, bro, cause you already know it's finna be lit bop. You know we understand. You know it's the Voo feel, my guys. Remember, hey, it's the Voo. Can't nobody do it like you. You know what I mean? But anyway, hey, we gonna roll to 1K. We gonna get there, my guys, my G's. So we just gonna get in this thing. Oh yeah, you know we got these are Cimorelli videos, so we finna just run straight through. You know how we do it. Run straight through. That's how we do it at the Voo. And without further ado, what I'll be saying a little something like. Got a little Megan Trainor cover. No, that's what he's talking about.
To guess what's keeping me up at night. What's keeping me up?
Okay.
Hey, I just want to let you know
Whoa.
what I found.
No.
What?
No.
When I came
No.
over. What?
No.
Let my dude finish his sentence. Right? I feel you.
I think it's so cute, and I think it's so sweet how you let your friends encourage you to come and talk to me. But let me stop
Man,
there.
dude.
Oh, before
They did my dude
you
dirty. They did him grimy.
My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, you need to let it go. Not to the to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign
Alright,
is
the little
no,
walk
my
in,
number
okay.
is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, you need to let it go. Not to the no, no, no. First you're gonna say you ain't running game, thinking I believe in every word. Call me beautiful, so original, telling me I'm not like other girls. I was in my zone before you came along. Now I'm thinking maybe you should go. Blah blah blah. I'll be like not to the no, no, no.
Bro, it's a car in the street.
Please listen up.
Bro, that's real. It was like a smooth van coming behind
Your
him.
hands and do your dance, 'cause all you gotta say is
My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go.
I wonder how many times they got interrupted because they're like in the middle of the street.
to the no, no, no.
But it's like nobody dropped down the street.
My sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, need to let it go, need to let it go. Not to the no, no, no. Thank you in advance, I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I want a man, then I'ma get a man. But it's never my priority. I was in my zone before you came along. Don't want you to take this personal. Blah, blah, blah. I'll be like, not to the no, no, no. All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, clap your hands and do your dance. Just
Bro, I
all you
understand when you be trying to fit
gotta
everybody in a
say
frame and you gotta.
No, my sign
I
is
understand,
no,
bro.
my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go.
Because it's like half of somebody neck,
Not to
half of
the
somebody torso cut off. I feel
My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, need to let it go, need to let it go. Not to the no, no, no. Untouchable, untouchable.
I'm feeling.
Untouchable, untouchable.
I'm feeling.
Untouchable, untouchable. Not to the no, no, no. Untouchable, untouchable.
I'm feeling.
Untouchable, untouchable.
I'm feeling.
Untouchable, untouchable. Not to the no, no, no. All my ladies, listen
you got like this close for poking her in the eye on the key.
giving up. Clap your hands and do your dance, 'cause all you gotta say is my name is no. My sign
Boy,
is
go
no,
ahead,
my
put the
number
camera.
is no. You need to
Oh,
let
wow.
it go. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Not to the no, no, no. My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Need to let it go. Not to the no, no, no. Untouchable, untouchable. Untouchable, untouchable. Untouchable, untouchable. Not to the no, no, no.
I was just trying to let you know that you dropped your phone back there.
Real life, bro. It be like that, bro. Every time somebody talk to you, it don't mean they trying to talk to you. You know what I mean? Yeah, you look dumb.
You didn't want my name?
No.
Facts.
You didn't want my number?
Facts.
You didn't want my sign?
Big facts.
Your sign?
Bruh. Bro.
My name is no. My time is no. My number
Bro, I know y'all hear that car. Come on.
Lipstick? Yeah, it's like 4. Well, people hear what they want.
There's a bathroom everywhere, guys. Your nose is running. At least you know it's working.
Stop! Let me see the picture? Yeah, but who cares about it? Why is everyone so upset? I don't get like a heartbreaking photo, and I was like, what are these out?
What?
Why did he make 12 burgers for 6 kids? Here we go. They each eat 2 burgers.
no.
Facts.
Let's just go.
That's math, bro.
Jeep, just referring to cars as they're making. And we're waving to them until they go away. Yes! Thank you! Lisa! Woo! Goodbye, Jeep.
You were way too excited about that.
My number is no. My name is no. My time is no. My number is no.
Okay.
You need to let it go. Need to let it go.
When you get ready for the step show, though.
I want the Russian guy to
That was a good test.
Yeah, don't really.
Get old.
Okay, I
Do our
will
best.
definitely not get old.
I don't have heels on. We don't have a dishwasher.
I'm so glad I paid my
What?
Yeah. Seriously.
Thank you in advance.
my words.
I'm waving to you guys.
So, I just wanted to tell you that.
What? What?
Showed us his abs. How do you laugh when he does that?
Hey, he did it. Hey, he was smooth
Six
about
girls,
it,
man.
though.
Like,
Wait, what did I say? I don't have to say the same thing. I was just trying to tell you
all these people using the road.
You're ruining my life. Ruining my life. Eric ruins lives. Good. Can we do the last loud? Like, no, he shouldn't say.
Hey, Rebecca.
Yeah. Hey.
Kevin. Oh, that was good.
When you finally get it right.
Kevin's on it. Kevin! It's still on me. On your leg, your leg.
I didn't do my job right. See, that bee's scary.
It's really scary. I don't know, it's just the vibe. It's got venom or something. I know her! I know her! All your ear infection stories, I got them later. That was really good though. That was really good. Yeah, and you can just get a little closer to him so it really picks him up.
Yeah, pick me up.
You ready? So many times in my life. You ready?
Sorry. I get carried away.
Okay, stop making us laugh. Ready? Suddenly I'm fun. Yeah, you guys just like slightly. Good job. I'm gonna think at the very end. This is just going in the end of the bloopers actually.
You didn't want my name?
No?
You didn't want my number?
I mean, yeah, was that an option?
Go back straight again, ready?
Shook.
Just trying to let you know that you dropped your phone back there.
Y'all forgot what to say?
Oh,
I'm gonna go get some more.
Hey.
Maybe we should redo her.
hold on. Let's get this on film. There, high five.
What do you think it says? Your vlog, Eric? Welcome to Eric's vlog.
Everyone would watch that.
Bro. What? What? Yo. Hey. My guys, my G's. Hey, bro. Hey, it be like that when you trying to make a little video in the street or whatever though. You know, you gotta watch out for the cars and whatnot. Hey, what am I doing? We continuing the roll through. Like, what am I doing? We just gonna hit a next, bro. We good. We hitting the next, bro. We good. We good. See, I almost ended the video, see, cause I'm so used to ending videos like right after I'm done, bro. I don't know. I gotta get my life together. Just bear with me, my guys, my G's. Yeah, we gonna get it right. We got another Cimorelli video. You know, Acid Rain. Live in New York. Y'all was in New York? That's what we was talking about. Listen, I'm like, am I tripping, or is the person with the guitar facing the wrong way? Or are y'all like gonna turn and sync or something? Like what? I really don't know why she turned backwards. Okay, here we go. I ain't trying to say nothing, but bro, this way, that's all I'm saying, my guy. That's all I'm saying, my G. You could have got everything with like. So they did this show in New York. I forgot what they did again. I know they don't live in New York. I wonder what like event this is for. Bro, is she crying for real? Yo, bro, I think she real life crying. Transition. Bro, that song high key sad. I'm just gonna say that. Like, I know they know it's sad. They made it sad on purpose, but like, bro, it's like high key sad. Hey, on a lighter note, you know, we got a Cold Water JB cover, so let's see what that's talking about, my guy. Let's see what that is talking about. Without further ado, a little something like. Oh snap! They had shows in the UK. Oh wow. Wow. I never even looked at that. Okay. Oh, Cold Water, Let Me Love You, Mashup. This is a throwback.
Everybody gets lost sometimes, you know.
Who Romeo already know?
It's how we learn and how we grow. So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. You got through the darkest of days. Heaven's a heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a heck of a ride, driving the edge of a knife. Never let you go, never let me down. I won't let go.
I feel like this her room. Where's her room or whatever? And she seemed like for real deal comfortable. Like everybody look comfortable, but like she really was sitting in a bed like this is my bed, my girl. And I don't know. It's just giving me her stuff vibes. Like this her keyboard and
used to believe that we were burning on the edge.
Once again, like I said, I'm worried about the wrong things. Don't be listening to me.
Selling a dream, smoking mirrors keep us waiting on a miracle. On a miracle. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different
Brother, I don't know why this reminds me of
places, I will
musically.
still be patient with you. And I hope you know I'll don't you get go. I won't give up, nah, nah, nah. Let me love you. Let me love you. Don't you give up, nah, nah, nah. I won't give up, nah, nah, nah. Let me love you. Let me love you. So come on, save me from a rocking boat. I just wanna stay afloat. I'm all alone, and I hope someone's gonna take me home, somewhere I can rest my soul. I need to know you won't let go. I won't give up, I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go.
I'm really different like hand motions did not come up with it.
I won't let go. So don't you give up, nah, nah, nah. I won't let go. So don't you give up, nah, nah, nah. I won't let go.
Bro, that seemed like a play off of Musically or whatever. That was in Barcelona. Okay, alright. It was a real European tour, my guys. Jeez. Hey, let me know how y'all was rocking with all that down there in the comments, my guys, my G's. And remember, it's grinding 1K. We're gonna get there, my G's. And remember, socials down there in the bottom. You gotta like, you gotta comment, you gotta subscribe. Voo not finna tell you twice. And grind is never stopping, my guys. You know how I'm rocking.